Cold email success. Best time to send cold emails. AI insights. AnyBiz. Have you ever wondered why some cold emails get responses while others get lost in the void? Timing and context are just as crucial as content. If executed well, cold emailing remains a powerful tool for generating leads and initiating contact with potential customers. Volume and frequency of sending. Start with 20-50 cold emails daily for smaller companies and up to 2,000 for larger ones, using tools like warmy.io to manage deliverability. Space out emails to avoid complaints and ensure responses. Adjust based on metrics to keep your outreach effective and respectful. Send cold emails midweek, especially Tuesday through Thursday for better open rates. Aim for early mornings, 8-10 a.m., or just after lunch, 1-2 p.m., when recipients are most likely to check their inbox. Adjust timing based on your audience's habits and time zones. A/B testing can help refine your schedule for the best results. To enhance your email marketing, choose a platform that offers strong decision-making, data analytics, and time-saving benefits. AI-based products are becoming top choices for their effectiveness. 1. AnyBiz is an AI-driven platform designed for B2B lead generation. It automates tasks usually managed by SDRs, such as creating personalized outreach, optimizing send times, and improving strategies through continuous learning. Key features include automated email warming, CRM integration, personalized landing pages, and more. Test it with a 7-day free trial. 2. Outreach.io uses AI to automate and streamline sales communication, including emails, calls, and tasks. It's ideal for large teams, offering sequence automation, detailed analytics, and performance insights to boost engagement. 3. Mailshake is a versatile, easy-to-use platform for cold emailing and other outreach methods. It offers personalization, automation, A/B testing, and CRM integration to improve engagement and results. 4. HubSpot Sales combines CRM with powerful email marketing tools, including customizable templates, scheduling, and tracking analytics. Its AI features predict optimal send times and analyze recipient behavior for real-time strategy adjustments. Cold emailing rules vary by region. GDPR requires consent and transparency in Europe, while CAN-SPAM in the US requires clear sender info and opt-out options. Follow local regulations and respect unsubscribe requests. For effective bulk emailing, maintain a clean list and personalize content. Regularly update your list to remove inactive subscribers and segment emails by user behavior or interests. Tools like AnyBiz automate segmentation and personalization, improving engagement and compliance while reducing manual effort. Timing can impact cold email success, but content quality and personalization often matter more. A well-targeted email can perform well regardless of when it's sent. Consider audience habits and industry standards when scheduling emails. Follow-ups are also crucial. Send the first follow-up 3-7 days after the initial email if there's no reply. Maintain respectful spacing for subsequent follow-ups, ideally with new content or perspectives each time. Typically, 3-4 follow-ups are effective. Automating cold emailing with AI like AnyBiz.io streamlines campaigns and boosts efficiency. AI handles sending times, personalizes content, and manages follow-ups, optimizing engagement and saving time. Stay connected with us. Like and subscribe for all the latest updates straight to your feed.